Say goodbye to scrubbing with this standard dishwasher from Hoover, which has innovative technology and clever features to give your dishes that extra sparkle. It has an A+ energy rating and 13 place settings, which means it can wash a main plate, side plate, bowl, cup and cutlery for up to 13 people. That means this dishwasher is great for medium-sized households. Hoover's handy Quick Wash is a short 24-minute program that's really easy to use. With the simple touch of a button, it will wash a small amount of slightly dirty plates and cutlery in just 24 minutes. So whether you need to create a quick lunch or throw a last-minute dinner party, your dishes will be ready in no time. The Eco Wash gives you the excellent cleaning results you expect, but with fantastic energy savings. Once this program has been selected, the dishwasher will automatically use a lower temperature on a slightly longer cycle. This uses less water and electricity, so your dishes are given a proper clean without any wasted energy, meaning your dishes will be lovely and clean, and you'll save on your utility bills too. If you're looking for a dishwasher with innovative technology to clean dishes fast, this standard model from Hoover is ideal.